This is for anyone who does not know what is happening. Enra ena yeti news say Ibrahim Mahama wato a new private jet. Now private jet in a friend Bombardier Global 6,500. I want to show you the video of the private jet for people who have not seen the video. So this is the private jet. And for Kasa, people are congratulating him and all that. Since the private jet nini, into Enra Ibrahim Mahama or Lanche. Yebisane said the old private jet no sisi or the bed or say or the bed emergency ambulance for all Ghanaians. Into no say Ghana ni enho koko treno. Na seni aye ne say emergency ya koko fana ya no enebe kwa fano. Now, mind you, Ibrahim Mahama, ni old private jets, no, private jets, bia, and you're no pen and no use. We've seen NPP pinning for, they've used it. We've seen him for Kesi who chrome her. Say, if they want to use it, they're able to use it. What you say? And Grofo Bebre, use private jet. Even the president Nekra Yusu, Emma, Ebayasem, ewo chrome her. Now, private jet here, Walanchi. Of course, some people understand say the man is a businessman or no any seeker. Na onwa essay or sort of private jet. There's nothing wrong with that. But still, you find some NPP for ebi mun se mo kan and say Ibrahim Mahama on bechina to say sika no nya we mebo video bi. Now this video is coming from an NPP guy. Obisa question bi. Na question na obisa no enye no ne asemu. Journalist na ete guy nchen a wo mo pene so ema ase wo mo hwe guy ne kan sem no. Those are the people me what problem with. And now your first time wa subscribe na click the notification bell so. Oya ne sa latest news bi aba unsa ebeka. Answer ne ebeko video ne so no. Mr. Ghana's economy is currently booming. The best decision you can take for yourself and your family and they say learn how to invest in the country's economy. Book na that screen is on refer the Ghanaian investor. I bet 4 different ways I'll be investing in Ghana ha. Investment schemes bia okra wunim. So do you see katowa that be obeda ho ase say we make a decision. So we Ghana ni na wa brochure na we pay book ni bia. You can just go on Amazon and search for the Ghanaian investor, you get the book. Now our Ghana has say there's a number on your screen 055-807-4986. The truth is that the hard copy our Ghana are shorty, but there are other forms of the book. The PDF is there, the tree video is there, the English video is there. And no here for more, and I can kind your moding, and no money I can kind of. But there is a link in the comment box. You can click on it and then get all the formats of the book. Now, yentie NPP guy no. And for people who don't know, yentie guy we are my reaction.
Kaswa hono mendra. A police akochi where you ubikunu. Ni asema asuma ne gire so nko to prepaid or to prepaid no 200 Ghana cedis in the 3 days wa bonu yina no suma na ni ahono endro mo kofa no President Mahama first one oba part 1 ugu aware bebre true dum so part 2 sisi osanso ugu aware through aviator electricity prepaid aviator wa kofa dia ba beto yeso.
No, I'm just a minute. Just a anyway. God or cancel phone baby. Let me just go straight to same way. I don't want to spend that. Let me just go straight to Ibrahim Mahama Diano.
President Mahama near quarter private jet. That's it. Well, yes, sir. Fact. And the fact. No, it's can on your way. It's can on your way. Hey, Ghana for your no might be power. It is you can imagine, sir. Gabriel Trida could have quarter private jet. Abra Kufuwa do Tinaswa. Anka country never done it. No, you man, what jet? Ibrahim. No, it's no part 1. Nini part 1 not all. The jet no first one. And a part 2 you buy a Nini 2 years cra. Wako tobacco waka ho. Now Kufuwa do 8 years Nina went to be a vanto. Also baako ya ambulance.
Or the baako ya ambulance am Ghana for.
One the way operating no.
Ghana for.
Now Musuma Yanka. Nini ya be president president ya wenye ska koto second. Ghana for munina musimutrase. Musimutrase because enwoma mukafa president Akufo-Addo no na ebusia ni ba kumpa anya bi. Ibrahim Mahama nearby with 2 years in my name, Obian to me, Cassim Nibu Croma, Obiasro. But I'm an Yame Wapamo, Hukumia Unkuvia. No man Pennyunia, who buy ye, or my Japadia part 1, and out bauxite, Emma Unia. And now buy ye, what's also the black water. Omaya obidio mati tuma monsa edi amano enche 2 years krampo mai when you ska koto private jet nipa bako abra Ghana kura posisi ya private jet a president ni du tu kwan no obi ni ho but the mini ani de enyeska akwa koto private jet na ye nyina ye tena anu obi asura asem ka obi antumi nka mema ni kroma ha na ti saska no nya $70 million in Ibrahim Nyawe.
So, you know the problem I have with this video? It is not with the guy, because guy no. So follow no, unim say sebe in some funkwan odi za guy na wakasa no. Eyo no na proud to elections no beka say NDC winia obeshi ni hu kuno ne ho no, but he's still talking. Is that same guy? Into the fact say and the Oguswa kasa one shini hunkune hono. It should tell you say Oyobia you don't take serious. But the problem I have with the journalist, the host of the show. Because then what is the essence of you being a host? If you allow someone peddle falsehood like this. In the first place, utie abrantia nsemu awoka in tronkwa. Uti nsemu awoka and Ibrahim Mahama and the private jets we and Mahama baye and okokotoye. Listen, common sense should tell you say private jet sebe in prediasa. Sebe private jet enye in toes na debi ameka. Private jet enye in toes. Obeko gama inso se wokoto. Ne hona no yasesa di amount. That is not how private jet yet or private jet. And every single person I would hear me know, you can just search it for yourself. You can just Google it for yourself. If I'm lying, you can Google it for yourself. Ask for the process in acquiring a private jet. Ukwasa wokoto private jet at least one train krano na nya be 2 years. Inti hu se wo bi ekita private jet enda. Especially private jets. Ibrahim Mahama watu bombardier a year global 6,500. Unso kita private jets no enda. It should tell you say what train for be 2 years afiansa you deliver private jets no. That is how it works. Private jets nya de bia ye ko say me hu we me tone de bra wende. Inti se wo check it back. It should tell you say private jets in Ibrahim Mahama wo to ye na 2024 emra na NPP mo aban mu. Oti ho bisa se nipa kuni nya sika we he. More NPP time amumu wa bemuno. This same person enye sika to me set up cement factory wa Ghana. And then ye can Ghana top cement factory se wo omai we mwa. Nipa kui company Jata Cement. Na host what nasi ma nipa kro we kase. Na Ibrahim Mahama wunya sika we. Na wo host no tinasi 8 it said Ibrahim Mahama yobia. Ende eni ye babe hu se nipa kuni enye sika. You are talking about someone or only company of any engineers and planners. Not even in Ghana. You can West Africa. The track record say one of the leading mining firms in West Africa, even in Africa as a whole. Ghana, you to me de ye good ye Emma a foreign company. Foreign company no. Ekokofa Ibrahim Mahama company the contract mo say yes a good year we are Ghana ede contract no amaye no yen hu so wo na wonni medwuma ni mo Africa brana betu ni ene won sign contract. Say ni pakoya wa was a mining firm for all these years or mining company when you sika the be mining company when you sika the be a production firm like Jata Cement. This same person enye sika the top private jet say and the private jet no Mahama the first time and ne hey time ben and Ibrahim Mahama private jet no chassis say omu yusu enye NPP mre Enye NPP time. Ena Ghana ye ni na yeti Ibrahim Mahama, the first private jet no, enka. And this person sat on radio, make it look like a Ghana sika, and yasesa diama a businessman, astute businessman. Ghana sika ni yasesa diama no. And odi akwakoto private jet. And a host is sitting down, silent, not saying anything. Not correcting the guy. Said that be private jet there ye toa. Se who say will be in your private jet and there. Not say a year 2 years ago. And indeed, Ibrahim Mahama and special aid Ababekan say private jet way okotia soka in 2024. Sabi or say early 2024. Early 2024 one and newa bemu. That this person is making it look like NDC ba ye and ye de Ghana si kama Ibrahim Mahama no de akwakoto private jet. And a host who is supposed to know better is sitting down there listening for this guy to peddle falsehood. Ibrahim Mahama yese obesiu abranche na the host akanwa yes ya president ni nua and the president nua de bia no person siu nkrofo. But how will you lie peddle falsehood like this? And the fact is that you are in Ghana. We are in a country where it is very easy for people to believe. People are very gullible. Inti ye can't trofo bi ho a easy sen krofo begiedi. Abranche nsem wa wakan, you see NPP for they will carry it on begiedi. But NPP for ya mpanyimfo ya eno mo ko baby no omo hia private jet a sa private jet ya no mbeko so mo kwa akoyisu, because the old private jet, didn't we see that? And then these people are peddling falsehood against someone like this. I say Ibrahim Mahama yakola. We bisa question say Ibrahim Mahama wunyansika no we. Say or the 70 million akwakono na Ibrahim Mahama baby a we do obra wa bone abrabo pape companies a won contract a sign say the 70 million ya de bi yesika ma pape. Ibrahim Mahama 70 million ya de bi wo say yesika ma pape. Companies a won ejuma waye all over Africa. I say Ibrahim Mahama yakola. Ni cement factory no krano. No krano. Jata cement no krano. Value no saying. Sebi ya busiampo na Ibrahim Mahama woko bank. So woko akwa busiampo a. Ninja padia wo. Ye man say busian no ntumi fancy as collateral. Enje busian nkonkoto sa private jet. Nka say busian no de kokoto. But obisa question to say onye sika ne we here as if say eyo omani sika ne yesesa de ma papa na, then you are not being reasonable. Because ni bakwa ye ka ne ho asemi oye businessman funding bia wo pe bia wo de beye dio de beye bia no, he knows how to get it. Or properties a obetum dia serve as collateral e de akwakoje bosia. Enya akola bia ende na wo sha ase ye business a wakwakoto bibi say ya obebisa so onye sika no we he. And then the host is sitting down watching for this guy to peddle falsehood. We have for Montreal, your comment box with the money now.